Hi guys, today we are going to learn how you can deactivate your TikTok account in a few seconds. So if you choose to deactivate your account, you want to just open your TikTok account, of course, and the first thing guys you need to do if you want this to work, you want to just click your profile at the very bottom, all right? Now, what you want to do guys next is to click on three little lions in the top right, okay? If you want to deactivate your account temporarily, click on three little lions in the top right. And after that guys, you want to click on settings and privacy at the very bottom. Now, as you can see here guys, a few different options will come up here. But first, I don't want to deactivate this account. I'm going to switch to my other account so that I can deactivate this. I don't want to deactivate it. Yeah, I'm going to deactivate this account. So just do the exact steps that I have showed you, settings. Now, a few different options will come up here. You want to click on account in the top, okay? Now, after guys, you click on account. If you can see here, deactivate or delete account, click on it at the very bottom. Now, TikTok will take you to this page. If you want to deactivate your account, you want to select the first option. If you want to delete your account permanently, you want to select the second option. So you clicked on this video because you want to deactivate your account permanently. Just click the first option, and after that, guys, you want to click on deactivate at the very bottom. Oh my god. Now to continue, log into your audience. Now you will have to log in, or you put the password there to your Google. Like if you made your TikTok account with your Google account, just click on continue with Google, and it will take you directly to your Google and then sign up so that they can make sure that it's you who want to deactivate your TikTok account. That's why they have to show you they want you to do this. That's exactly guys how you can deactivate your TikTok account. So drop a like on this video.